Good morning, students. In this way, in the last video, I taught you all till here. Green, a white green, collector, a white green. It means when the writer's grandfather goes to the counter for purchasing ticket, monkey comes out for a few minutes, come out from the cage, and the ticket collector looks at monkey. What happens? From here, I have to teach you today, na? For today. The poor man was taken aback, but with great presence of mind and much to grandfather's annoyance. Annoyance means narazgi. He said, "Sir, you have a dog with you. You will have to pay for it accordingly." In this way, ticket collector for few minutes he is feared, but he's but with a great confidence he asks writer's grandfather that you have also a dog with you. So according to the weight of the dog, you have to pay the fare for this dog. Otherwise, you cannot travel with this dog. It means ticket collector cannot understand what is inside cage, dog or in a dog, or you can say dog or monkey. So in this way, this paragraph is over. Let me roll down. In vain means व्यर्थ. In vain did grandfather take Toto out of the bag. In vain did he try to prove that a monkey did not qualify as a dog or even as a quadrump. Quadrump माने एनिमल, चार पांव वाले को quadrump बोलते हैं. Quadrumped. Toto was classified a dog by the ticket collector, and 3 rupees was the sum handed over as his fare. In this way, grandfather knows that he carries a monkey, not a dog. But why? Ticket collector says to him that he is carrying a dog. So he talks him, but he can't makes him confidence that he is a monkey, not a dog. And whatever he talks to ticket collector, but ticket collector is not ready to believe that he has a monkey. But ticket collector again and again he says that you have carried a dog, so you have to pay fare according to that dog. And for that animal, for that monkey, writer's grandfather has to give the fare, 3 rupees extra fare for that monkey. In this way, you can say writer's grandfather justifies himself that he has no animal, he has no dog. But it is ticket collector, he is not ready to believe in the statement of writer's grandfather. So he has taken 3 rupees for that monkey, na, as fare. Okay, I hope you understood what is the meaning of this paragraph. In the next paragraph, then grandfather, just to get his own bag, took from his pocket our pet tortoise and said, "What must I pay for this, since you charge for all animals?" When grandfather is totally upset, ticket collector is not ready to believe in the statement of grandfather, then grandfather is totally upset, and he puts out few other animals from his pocket, and he tables the animal pet tortoise in the front of the ticket collector and says to him, uh, would you charge this animal also? Would you charge all the animals? Then what ticket collector responds? Let me read in the next paragraph. The ticket collector looked closely at the tortoise, what is the meaning of prodded? This one is excite. It with his 4 fingers, gave grandfather's a pleased and triumphant माने triumph माने विजेता होता है, triumphant जीतना, triumphant माने विजेता look, and said, "No charge, it's not a dog." In this way, when grandfather tables अर्थात puts Tortoise in the front of ticket collector. Ticket collector puts his fingers over the tortoise and rub, you can say, over the tortoise, and he says, no, 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 he will not charge for this animal, he will charge only for dog. It means he misunderstood, he misunderstands what is inside cage, dog or monkey, and by misunderstanding he charges 3 rupees for that monkey. Understanding this one is a dog. Okay, in this way, in till here I completed. Let me roll down. I am going on the next page. This one is the new page. Here I am teaching. Okay, when Tutu was finally accepted by grandfather, he was given a comfortable home in the stable. Stable माने होता है उससे अस्तबल होता है जहाँ घोड़े रहते हैं. In the stable, where he had for a companion the family donkey. Donkey, the name of the donkey, that is Nana. In this way, by many days, monkey, yeah, Toto spends his time, its time with writer's grandfather. When writer grandfather understands that now monkey feels comfortable when a monkey lives with him, so he decides that he wants to give a separate, yeah, you can say, he wants, अर्थात writer's grandfather want to give him a home in the stable. And for this, where there are, in the stable there are many already animals in the stable, and one of them, there is a donkey, the name of the donkey, that is Nana. On Toto's first night in the stable, grandfather paid him a visit to see if he was comfortable. To his surprise, he found Nana without apparent cause pulling at her halter. Halter, you can say halter mane wo lagam. Here I write in Hindi lagam. Halter, and trying to keep her head as far as possible from a bundle of hay. In this way, when grandfather decides that now he gives a home for Toto, so he puts Toto in his stable, and in stable there are already many animals living in the stable. So for the first night, grandfather visits to see Toto feels comfortable in the stable or not. When grandfather visits in stable, he finds that Toto, when he looks at Toto, he is surprised at the work of Toto, because Toto pulling the halter, you can say, holding the halter of the donkey Nana, and Toto wants to make donkey head in the front of the bundle of hay. It means Toto wants that donkey should eat the bundle of hay. For this, Toto makes the head of donkey towards the bundle of hay. And looking such type of thing, the writer's grandfather is surprised, because it is his first night in the stable, and he is so comfortable, he is so familiar, that he is pulling the halter of donkey Nana. In this way, the meaning of this paragraph is over. Let me roll down next paragraph. Grandfather, this one. Grandfather gave Nana a slap across her haunches. Haunches, you can, haunches means bum, backside, haunches, butt or bum, haunches, and she jerked back, dragging Toto with her. He had fastened onto her long ears with his sharp little teeth. In this way, when grandfather is watching, looks Toto doing something with a donkey Nana, he jerks, grandfather jerks back donkey, and when donkey is beaten hit is you can say is hit by grandfather. Donkey drags Toto, and when donkey drags Toto holds sharply the long ears of donkey. Toto and Nana never became friends. In this way, Toto is so mischievous in the stable that both animal, Toto and Nana, never become friends. And after what happened in the next paragraph, a great treat one ବ୍ୟବହାର for Toto during cold winter evenings was the large bowl of warm water given him by grandmother for his bath. He would cunningly मतलब चतुराई के साथ टेस्ट करता था ये. इट इज मोर हिटरलेस ना. टेस्ट द यू कैन सी इट इज. हाँ दिस वन है. हाँ, test the temperature with his hand, then gradually step into the bath, first one foot, then the other, as he had seen me doing, until he was into the water up to his neck. In this way, in this paragraph, we find this is the time of winter season, and this season is very, you can say, romantic season for the Toto, because in this season grandmother gives uh, warm water to Toto, and first of all Toto check the temperature of water, and for this he check it cunningly. He it checks it cunningly. For this, first of all, he puts his first hands in the water, then second hands, then whole body in the water. And why it does this? Because he, yeah, it looks his master doing such type of thing, then he does this thing. Okay, so I hope you are understanding. This one is the winter season. In the winter season, when he finds warm water, what it does. In this way, this page is over. Let me roll down. This one is the next, and this one is the last page. Once comfortable, he would take the soap in his hands or feet and rub. Okay, first of all, let me see. Water until he was into the water up to his neck. हो गया. Once comfortable, he would take the soap in his hands or feet and rub himself all over. When the water became cold, he would get out and run as quickly as he could to the kitchen fire in water to dry himself. In this way, when he feels the warm water is normal, and when it feels the warm water is normal, it takes a soap and rubs all over his body by himself, and and after few minutes and few minutes later, water becomes normal. You can say water becomes cool. Water becomes cool. Then he comes out from the you can say he comes out from the tub, and you can see he comes out from the water, and he runs towards kitchen to fire to heat himself in the kitchen to dry himself. And after then what happened, if anyone laughed at him during this performance, Toto's feelings would be hurt, na? And he would refuse to go on with his bath. One day Toto nearly succeeded in boiling himself alive. What happens if anyone looks at the performance of Toto? Because Toto, first of all, Toto bathes in the water, in the warm water, but water becomes cold. He comes out from the water and he goes to the kitchen. And if anyone looks at performance of Toto and he or she laughs, Toto becomes unhappy. And if it becomes unhappy, it does not want to go to, it does not like to bathe again. And one day writer describes a story about the Toto. One day Toto is about to boil himself alive in the water. How? Let me read. One day a Toto is near about to get boiling himself alive. First of all, let me read next paragraph. A large kitchen kettle had been left on the fire to boil for tea and Toto. Tea and Toto. It means it's very large kettle, no? Kettle, and the quantity of water is too much in the kettle, because for few you can say uh, you can say this one is the, for few a little water, you can say a little water 40 and rest water is for Toto. But when Toto finds that there is a kettle that is putting on the fire, and it is a very large kettle, and what happened after then, it is very large kettle. Finding himself with nothing better to do, decided to remove the lid. Finding the water just warm enough for a bath, he got in. With his head sticking out from the open kettle, this was just fine for a while until the water began to boil. Toto then raised himself a little, but finding it cold outside, no, sat down again. He continued hopping up manu chalna and down for some time until grandmother arrived and hauled him. Hauled mane खींचना. Hauled him half boiled out of the kettle. In this way, one day what happens in the kitchen, there is a kettle that is put on the fire for heating, and it is very large, it is a very big kettle, and too much water inside the kettle that is getting boiling, that is boiling. But when Toto enters the kitchen, and he does not find anyone there, he thinks that it is for itself, it is for him. So he opens the lid of the kettle, and he sits inside the kettle, although during that time the water of the kettle is not very warm, so it is very normal. So it sits inside the kettle, and he, first of all, it wants to come out from the kettle, but when it comes out from the kettle, it feels too much cold outside, so it again goes back. But slowly and slowly it becomes heat, the water of kettle becomes heat because it is put on the fire. So when it gets heating, when it gets heating, monkey, you can say Toto, wants to come out from the kettle, but it is not able to come out from the kettle. During that time, grandmother arrives there, and grandmother pulls out him from the kettle. In this way, Toto is saved by the grandmother, otherwise Toto is boiled in the kettle. In this way, you can say Toto is so mischievous, na, pet animal in the zoo of the writer's grandfather. Okay, today I want to complete this. Okay, kettle. If there is a part of the brain especially devoted to mischief, that part was largely developed in Toto. He was always tearing things to pieces. Whenever one of my aunts came near him, he made every effort to get hold of her dress and tear a hole in it. In this way, the writer says to the reader that there is a part of mind for the mischievous part. You can say that is for the mischievous, for the mischief. Yeah, for the mischievous work, there is a part in this mind that is made only for mischief, only for mischief. So this Toto develops this part of the mind uh, too much. So every time he does against thing, every time he it does against thing. Once upon a time, what happens when the writers aunts come to the writers whom Toto holds the dress of his aunt, and it tears it, and Toto tears it. In this way, it is so mischievous. Toto is so mischievous, na? One day, in the next paragraph, what happened? One day at lunchtime, a large dish of pulao stood in the center of the dining table. We entered the room to find Toto stuffing himself with rice. My grandmother screamed, and Toto threw a plate at her. In this paragraph, there is a different story. What happened? This is the time of lunchtime. Yeah, you can say at lunchtime. lunchtime when everyone enters to take lunch. And on that day, pulao is made and pulao is on the dining table. And when grandfather and writer enter the dining room, they find that Toto is eating the rice. And when grandma looks at Toto, grandma screams, cries. And so Toto becomes unhappy, and Toto throws a plate at her in this way. And after then, one of my aunts rushed forward and received a glass of water in the face. Um, when grandfather arrived, Toto picked up the dish of pulao and made his exit through a window. In this way, when grandma cries for Toto becomes unhappy, and Toto throws a plate on the face of writer's grandma. And when writer's aunts goes towards Toto throws a glass of water on the face his of writer's aunt. And when grandfather enters the dining room, Toto takes the pulao and it exits from the window, and it goes outside the room. After then, what happens? Let me read. We found him in branches of the jackfruit tree. Jackfruit means katal. Jackfruit tree. The dish still in his arms. He remained there all afternoon, eating slowly through the rice, determined on finishing every grain. And then, in order to spite the grandmother who had screamed at him, he threw the dish down from the tree and chattered with delight when it broke into 100 pieces. In this way, what happened? We found him many in this way. After taking the pulao from the dining room, it comes out. Toto comes out from the dining room, and it climbs on the tree, and it is sitting on the branch of jackfruit. And when it's sitting, after sitting on the branch of jackfruit, it starts taking it when Toto starts eating, and Toto eats even each and every grain of Toto eats every grain. And when the writer's grandma cries to Toto, when writer's grandma screams at him, Toto throws the dish down from the tree. Toto throws the dish down from the tree and chattered with delight when it broke in. It means after eating the whole pulao, Toto again throws the plate at writer's grandma, and as soon as the plate falls down on the ground, it breaks into many 100 pieces, 100 pieces. So when Toto finds this thing, if Toto becomes very happy. Obviously, Toto was not the sort of pet we could keep for long. In this way, this one is the last paragraph. Here, writer accepts that yes, he finds that Toto is not such type of pet. Toto is not such type of pet that we make it for a domestic animal. Even then, writer's grandfather put Toto inside his house for a long time. Grandfather realized that we were not well to do and could not afford the frequent loss of dishes, cloths, curtains, and wallpapers. So grandfather found the Tanga driver and sold Toto back to him for only 3 rupees. In this way, when writer's grandfather is failed to make Toto a familiar animal, to make Toto a good animal. He understands or realizes that he cannot afford the loss of dishes, class, and certain wallpaper. So he decides that he will again sell back to the Tanga driver, and he sells again Toto to the Tanga driver in what money he purchased him from him 2 years later. In this way, we find the meaning of this paragraph. The meaning of this chapter. The meaning of this chapter is very easy, and I hope you all understood what is the meaning of this chapter. So I stop here and later I will tell you question answer. Hi, first chapter of this book. It means movement. No? I taught you all, but I did not tell you all the question answer. The last child. So first of all, I will tell you all the question answer of last child, and then of this chapter. Okay, I stop here. Thanks.